Hey! Hey! Gosh!
Folks, good afternoon and welcome back to Anthony Fong Fishing. Do you have one? Reel it in. Go, go, go. What are we using? A little grub?
Okay, little bass. Beginning of summer. Used it on a little grub.
Beautiful little largemouth. Its belly is pretty good.
It's full, huh?
Yeah, it's been eating good actually.
Grab out?
Using that little grub, caught that little bass. Want me to take the fish?
Yeah, can you put it back?
Yes. Look, he's been eating good. His belly's kind of big. It's time to release this guy back. Hopefully, we'll catch him someday when he's ginormous. But, see you, little buddy. What do we do, Grandma? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, eat my hook.
Alvin. Come on. Welcome back, folks. I got the rest of the bag of corn. We fed a lot of the ducks we saw. Actually, we only saw about 5 ducks here, so these geese can get pretty relentless, but I'm going to dump the rest of this can of corn that we put in a bag out on the grass and have a feeding frenzy. Get ready for this. Like, get out of here. Well, folks, that's it for this video, Anthony Fong Fishing. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. We were out here today with my grandma. We actually picked up some takeout and ate. It was a very nice day out here in the sun. My dad and I only brought 1 pole each, and I actually brought only this 1 tackle bag with the small tackle box. This is actually the Plusinno tackle bag backpack. It's very cool. They actually sent this to me for free, believe it or not, and it's a pretty neat little bag. You can actually unzip the backpack straps so that you can either make it a sling or a 2-strap backpack. Great, perfect for decent little outings like this, or honestly just throw in some first aid stuff and throw it in the trunk of your car, and maybe it'll help you out in a pinch. But anyways, my dad caught that 1 bass. That's a pretty small bass actually, but it looked like it was eating very well, so that's a great sign here at this lake. Good for us, the water level hasn't dropped too much in this. I also fed a bunch of ducks, a bunch of geese. That was very fun. I know my grandma got a kick out of it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you follow my Instagram too, at Anthony Fong Fishing, and tune in next time.